Welcome to this next edition in our 2M Lingo video guide series. In this tutorial, we will look at how to create an interpreting appointment. To log into your 2M Lingo account, please visit 2mlingo.com.au and click on Login in the top right corner. In the next window, enter your email address and your password. Once you have logged in, first you will see your dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate the module buttons, Dashboard, Appointments, Insights, and Configuration. To create an interpreting appointment, select Appointments. There are various views in which to display your appointments. To get an overview of a whole month, for example, click on Month, then click anywhere inside a calendar, and you will be able to see all appointment activities for the given month. To create an appointment, click the Create Appointment icon. Complete all fields with the details of your requirements as shown. Select the requester, provide a subject, give a description to the appointment. The more details you provide in the description field, the easier it is for us to find the best interpreter for you. Select the language pair, the communication type. For on-site interpreting, select on-site consecutive. For video remote interpreting, select scheduled video interpreting. And for telephone interpreting, click Schedule Telephonic. Although not a required field, the service classification can also be specified. Specify the location for the interpreting, select the date, then add the time. Make sure the time zone is set correctly. The system will pick the time zone of your IP address, but just make sure that this is correct. Set the duration of the appointment. Check and update the other settings, including details of the consumer. This may be relevant for the interpreter to know to ensure there is no conflict of interest. And when you are finished with providing the details, click on the Save button at the top of the form. The new appointment will be visible in the Appointment Viewer window and may be edited later by clicking the Edit button, which takes you to the Update Appointment window. You can update any of the fields as may be necessary. Back in the Appointment Viewer, you can click on the Documents tab, and this will give you the option to attach documents to the appointment. Such documents may relate to the case and can assist the interpreter prepare for the job at hand. Back in the dashboard, under the Appointments module button, you can see this recently created appointment. As the appointment then progresses in the 2M workflow, you will see its status change from new to broadcasted to accepted to scheduled and finally to completed.